What's going on, guys? Mr. Investor Lot here. My name's Miguel. I've been investing in the stock market now since 2016, and today we're going to be discussing Roblox and its IPO. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. So first of all, we're discussing the game Roblox. What is Roblox? Roblox is a very popular kids game which started on PC and then it branched over to all platforms. It's been around since 2006. It takes everything good about internet culture and it creates a fun and free moving game for everyone. So Roblox is a global platform in which millions and millions of players around the world gather together in order to play games. So why would this be a good investment? And how exactly do they make their money? Developers create games for Roblox and they get paid every single time someone makes an in-game purchase. So kids often buy like virtual items within their specific game and then they get paid. People are able to buy using a virtual currency they've created called Robux. So say for example we created a racing game where you could buy like customizable cars, turbo and specialized perks to have more fun in-game. Every single time people made a purchase and bought those in-game items, I would get paid as a developer. It would be split between me and Roblox. So how much money does Roblox make as a game? Well, according to the latest data from Roblox, developers on its platform are set to reach $250 million in revenue by the end of 2020. Last year, they collectively earned $110 million, 127% increase year on year. This is insane. This is exciting. So this game's been around since 2006. My younger brothers have played this game for a while. Lots of kids have played this game. And it's during the era where we used to play like RuneScape and other games like that. We used to play Call of Duty as well on PlayStation, and sometimes we'd have a break, jump on the PC and play Roblox. Over the pandemic time, they've been making crazy amounts of money. And here it's saying in total there are 345,000 creators making money from their content on the platform. So this CNBC article right here says gaming company Roblox files for IPO prospectus after a 91% jump in revenue. So they're talking about the third quarter. During the third quarter, revenue climbed 91% to $242.2 million. The company's net loss more than doubled to $48 million.
However, if we dig deep into it, they say they've accumulated losses because of deferred revenue. So deferred revenue is included on consolidated balance sheets as a liability. And in the accounting world, according to tax and accounting services, deferred revenue refers to payments a business received from its customer before they've actually earned it, meaning they've got prepaid goods and they haven't used that service yet. So they use it as a way to delay paying tax on revenue. So they could have earned a boatload of money from their digital currency Robux and they haven't accounted for it yet. And here we're talking about net cash flows here. They're talking about 208.1 million increase in deferred revenue.
So Roblox is currently growing bigger and faster. So the platform itself contains millions of games where you can play across Apple, Google and Amazon devices, as well as all gaming consoles. So in 2020, the daily active users almost doubled in the period ended September to 36.2 million. 36.2 million daily active users. They also use a metric the company calls hours engaged, and they said it's more than doubled to 8.7 billion. So what's exciting about this company's IPO is that we can now get in on that action. So every time people are making in-game purchases and Roblox is profiting, we can also be profiting as investors. So if we look at the initial size of the offering, it's listed at $1 billion in a US Securities and Exchange Commission filing on Thursday.
The value of this company was reported to be $4 billion during a financing round earlier this year. However, if we compare it to Unity, which reported third quarter revenue growth of 53% to $208 million, it was valued at $32 billion. Roblox is bigger and growing faster. Based on just comparable multiple to annualized revenue, Roblox would be worth over $37 billion.
So the company will later disclose plans for the size and price range of the share sale in a later filing. So Roblox's offering is being led by the likes of Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan Chase. It's looking to list its shares under the ticker symbol RBLX. So I think this stock is one really to look out for because of all of the in-game purchases, the ability that they are leveraging creators and their creativity to create games that people love, and be able to earn from both the creators and also subscription packages. So how much do Robux cost? If you're spending roughly about $5, $4.95, you're gonna get 400 Robux. And this goes all the way up to $199, where you can buy 22,500 Robux. So kids always want to have more fun, they want to make more purchases, they want to buy in-game items, customize their characters and avatars, they want to host parties online, they want to pay for subscription packages for building your own places. So there's so many ways for them to earn from both subscription, in-game purchases and hosting parties. And I think monetization isn't quite done there yet, and neither is the growth of the user base. I think the user base will continue to rapidly grow, with kids from many countries in the world coming to join and gather together during these pandemic times and actually play the games. So the boost in popularity, I think, is to do with internet culture, and it's also to do with being locked down in pandemic, and I think we're going to see room for more growth across time. So guys, that was my opinion on Roblox. I think it's going to be a very good buy. Out of many IPOs that are landing this year, I think Roblox is going to be one of the best ones to buy. So thank you very much for watching. Please hit this with a thumbs up, click that subscribe button and join the family. Much love, Mr. Invest A Lot, over and out.